Confirming understanding. Master the art of feedback in English. Hello, language learners. Today we're going to focus on a crucial aspect of conversational English: confirming understanding. In any conversation, especially when you're receiving directions, it's very important to confirm that you've understood what's been said. This way, both you and the person you're talking to can be sure that the message has been accurately received. Let's jump right in. Why is confirming understanding important? When we're learning a new language, it's common to misunderstand or miss information. By confirming what we've understood, we not only ensure we've got the right information, but we also demonstrate respect for the speaker. It shows that we're actively listening and engaging in the conversation. Now, let's talk about how we can use confirming language. There are several phrases and structures we can use to confirm understanding. 1. Restating or paraphrasing. This means repeating back what you heard, but in your own words. For example, if someone says, "Turn right after the library," you might confirm by saying, "So, I need to take a right turn after I see the library, correct?" 2. Asking clarifying questions. If you're unsure about something, you can ask a question to make it clear. For instance, do you mean the first or the second right turn after the library? 3. Using confirmation phrases. Phrases like, "I see," "got it," "okay," or "understood" can quickly confirm that you've got the message. Now that we've learned about using confirming language, it's time for some practice. I'll say a direction and I want you to confirm it using the techniques we've just discussed. Ready? 1. Walk straight until you reach the park, then turn left. You could respond, "So, I need to go straight and make a left when I see the park, right?" 2. The grocery store is next to the cinema on Main Street. You could respond, "If I've understood correctly, the grocery store is right beside the cinema on Main Street?" Remember, practice makes perfect. So, make sure to rehearse these confirming techniques in your everyday conversations. That's all for today's lesson on confirming understanding. We've discussed the importance of confirming understanding, the different ways to use confirming language, and practiced using it. Remember, confirming understanding isn't just about making sure you've got the right directions. It's a vital part of active communication in any language. Keep practicing and you'll see improvement in no time. Until next time, happy language learning.